I know. Crazy, huh?
Hey, that's how it's still running. What happened? Is somebody in there still?
Yeah.
They're driving. Hey!
Huh? Yeah. I got it all recorded. Huh? I got it all recorded.
Send it to me.
I'll send it to you. That's what I'm recording.
Jim Nicholson.
Yep. Anita, you heard that shit first, didn't you?
No, I hollered and
I heard it. Yeah, I heard that shit. I was right back here.
Yeah, I know. I got it all recorded. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know, Tracy. Crazy. I got it all recorded. I'm on it. This will be all. It's gonna be all on YouTube.
So what happened?
My old lady can explain to you. She's quiet in the house, but Anita can explain more. She's crazy though.
How the hell did the car get there?
They say she was running, so she know more because she heard it.
She was running from the cops?
Yeah, she know more because she heard the whole thing. Anita know more.
Where, Ben?
Hey, Tracy will talk to you. That's what happened. I told her you got. I say actually, I don't know.
Because it rolled from over there. It just literally just moved away from that truck over there. They're taking the other car.
On foot, like right back over here, like 46 or 7. Got it.
Look, they're chasing the other car. They're going to go get
I know that he said he's still chasing it.
Yeah, they're still chasing
God
it.
damn.
Dude right there.
I kept
He
saying
got
that.
smacked and got caught, and his car hit right there. It swung into there, and he jumped out and ran. But they caught him.
Wee.
Dumbass.
That nice ass car, but
Car, man.
I know that's a nice ass fucking
Yeah,
car.
them people almost died.
Oh shit. Oh, that's a Moline.
Well, fuck yeah, Moline, Rock Island.
Oh shit, Moline ain't no
Where's
fucking
the
joke.
police scanner at, bro?
Well, Trent,
Huh?
I'm just about ready to leave.
You got
I
a
can
police
hear 'em
scanner, turn it
driving to
on.
you.
Well, I got my
But it
phone on me.
sounded- Actually, it sounded like 2 cars they were chasing.
Damn, he must have been on some high shit. Look at everybody outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably have their phone.
Everybody.
Man, I was lucky not driving the intersection.
Hey, little Tracy. Oh damn, I'm biting.
Shut up. Billy, shut up. She don't feel like being bothered. Does anybody need any help, I wonder? That car was on fire. There was a driver in that car. Which car? That one there? All them people, the man in the green had the girl in the pink, that little girl with the long hair, the lady with the purple shirt, and I think the one in the red shirt was
They got the ambulance coming right now behind it somewhere.
yeah.
Yeah. Damn, I'm glad. Phew.
Yeah, you know what's crazy though? Because that car was going and that car was coming and
Right.
stuff, but that car didn't get hit just that soon.
There was 3 cars. 'Cause I could hear 2 of them go across the interstate. And I thought my mind. So I turned around. I actually turned around and looked at the other one. And then I saw the police. And I looked at the police.
What's up, JR? JR! Yeah.
Like somebody get in the house. Man, I was just seconds from driving into that intersection.
Mm-hmm.
Like crazy.
Crazy.
I'm surprised they're still walking.
Shit, I'd probably been dead if that was me.
Careful. Wow.
Crazy. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What happened to the face right, Tracy?
That's a zit that I tried.
That probably can go with if you get some more of that cream, but it probably didn't work out though.
Oh, it was alright.
Yeah.
No, it's just a zit that I tried to pop. It wasn't
She's
ready
supposed
yet.
to be cooking, but no, she's outside. I can't get her mind up there. I hope nobody lost their life. You didn't see anybody come?
You would think that they would have.
I can't get close to the scene because this is a problem. I mean, because otherwise they could tell me something. Yeah.
You can't. They got it.
Yeah.
Come here, Bentley.
Bentley!
Bentley, come on, baby.
I think the car might have been stolen.
Yeah, I know. No, she was in the living room. She was sitting close by the window watching my yard sale. That's why I had her over here for a bit. Shit, I didn't know Tracy.
Have you seen it happen?
No, actually we didn't. Me and him just, hey, Jimmy, we was just outside again.
Yeah. No, I was,
You was getting ready to head back home.
yeah, and I turned around and looked hearing noises.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I don't want no followers, but there's everybody following me.
This is horrible.
So
This is horrible.
the news
Yeah. News people already here. They should be. They got a scanner.
there was other cars.
Yeah. Hey, KWQC, if I was in Davenport, they'd have been already here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna play a getting there.
Jimmy, see, you never know when something's gonna happen in your life, man.
Yeah,
In the right business.
You said these intersections are crazy.
I'll tell you, it is crazy.
They're lucky to be alive.
Yeah, because I had a wreck up there in my 2008. I told you.
So this must be a stolen car.
It must have been because they've been running from the cops pretty hard. If I ain't got no insurance, I'll just go to jail. I fuck run from the cops. It's less in charge.
This is stolen car. The kid ain't gonna pay for shit.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather go to jail for that than go to jail for murder. You're taking somebody's life out.
All them lives.
We in America.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I mean, have y'all seen any bodies in these cars? I ain't seen no bodies. She gonna get paid for her house. They ran into her shit.
I'm not in the ambulance, don't know that.
I ain't bullshit. Me either.
I was just seconds, to drive going to that intersection.
Just imagine if I was drunk in that motherfucker. That's why they say don't drink and drive. I ain't never seen a street like this before. Huh? I'll just give up. After this right here, I'll give up.
They're chasing him around Giggle right now.
Oh, so Steve see it?
No, my brother David.
Oh, David over there?
No, on the house.
Oh. I know Steve looking right now. Steve gotta be looking. Steve always outside. Your brother.
Yeah, but if they run around here, my brother can't protect himself. So he needs to stay in the house.
Yeah, I would say you heard that shit. Me and Jim was just sleeping. You heard that shit? You heard it? Oh, damn.
And I seen it. I thought it was somebody in front of the house over there. Wait a minute.
I seen Rex right here, but it wasn't this worse. I seen a car running to that house right there one time going home from work. But
They got him in custody. He's injured. But there he is right there.
The guy was saying,
Fire department.
what's up, cousin?
hey man,
See him there putting him on the gurney.
You live over here? No. No, I'm just over here visiting.
Did you hear that? He ran into the shed by the store. A white shed. The dude that was in the car with him and stuff ran and hid into a shed.
Anita, you got your lighter with you?
That's Tracy.
Look, There you go.
That's the guy right there that did the whole crime.
No, he's going to jail. He ain't going to
Shouldn't
get no
did that,
money.
man.
He's the bad guy. He's the one that's the bad guy, David. He's the one that did it. For what? He's the bad guy. I don't care. He's the one that did wrong. But what I'm saying, it's his fault.
His fault, but shit, he's gonna be in prison. Who's gonna pay for that?
yeah, he is. Nita.
He ain't going to go to prison for the rest of his life.
If he's a young kid, though, his mom and dad's gonna have to pay for it.
He'll go to jail for stealing a fucking car and driving without a license.
Because the other two.
They were all both stolen cars, I guess.
They both were stolen, yep.
I don't know. But they're still chasing the other car.
That was a nice ass car too. God damn.
That's the car that got hit. They hit the car.
Oh.
Yeah, good too.
You would think this car would have hit that
Jimmy,
car.
look at
but that
Jimmy.
car hit
That's a
that
nice car like yours there.
Yeah.
You stop recording people.
Oh,
Alright, well, I'm gonna let you go.
yeah, I guess I'll stop. Yeah, it is.
Horrible.
Yeah,
Fucking retarded.
it is, right?